What is a consular officer really looking for during a tourist visa interview? Hi, I'm Regina Cocco. I'm an immigration attorney and a former consular officer. During a visa interview for a U.S. visitor visa, or really most non immigrant visa categories, a consular officer is thinking mainly about two things. One, does your purpose of travel fit the visa category you're applying for? And two, are you likely to return to your home country after your brief trip to the US? Now, it's not enough to convince an officer just that you'll come back to your country, but you also need to convince them that you'll use the visa properly. For example, that you won't work without authorization on a tourist visa. Most non immigrant visa interviews boil down to those two areas of concern. The officer is looking at your stated purpose of travel and deciding whether it fits within the category you've applied for and whether you're likely to use the visa properly and then leave the US on time. That second part is where 214Bs tend to happen the most because an applicant is not able to convince a consular officer that they will return. So try to take a step back and take an objective look at your life situation. What are your ties to your country, to your family, to your home, to your job? What are the things that make it unlikely that you would abandon that to live in the US? That's what you should focus on explaining during your visa interview, not with papers, invitation letters, or bank documents, but just with your clear story. Now, what consular officers refer to as country conditions can also come into play. So try not just to take a clear look at your life situation, but also your situation in light of your country's economic and political realities, and see what might cause the officer doubt and what might be convincing. I hope this insight helps. And if you have any questions or if you need legal assistance in applying for a visa, please visit my website at coccolaw.com. Thank you.